Hello, I'm C. Natish Balaji from Computer Science Department. So I've undergone a course from NAAN MUDHALVAN that's named Software Development and also with GitHub. So the software development principles and all those things which has been very much good and useful, and all these things which has been taught by our teacher was pretty much important to know about what are the industrial standards about software development and design of those things, which is also helpful. And also we learned something about React and React Native, which are the basics and what are the differences between all those things. So those were pretty much helpful. And also with these industrial standards, GitHub is one of the most important version control platforms that's been around here. So for this version control platform, we say that it's pretty much useful. So we also learned about the Git that is also in GitHub, so which we can use push, pulls and all the other commands. The use cases which was provided to us was pretty much important, and those use cases, for example, let's take type of code and push it or pull it back, and also merge it and commit and all these commands, so which are very useful for our projects, because we're also going to get some projects and all the other things in the future. So we needed that course, and that's pretty much important. Also many much advanced courses which we can't get in other platforms like YouTube. They just only teach those smaller and basic versions. So now we got an advanced exposure of how these things, version control works and what is the version control, and the software development side was also pretty much helpful in those kinds of things. So in order to say that this course was pretty much helpful, and I was very much happy to get this course completed by me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shivanjani from CSE department. I have attended a course named Software Engineering and Git Hub from NAAN MUDHALVAN. The course was very structured and have covered wide range of topics, and it provides a solid knowledge on GitHub and various commands. They have, apart from this, they also provide the practical experience by providing various use cases based on the real-time scenarios, and we have performed those use cases. It is very helpful for us to learn more about GitHub. And this course, apart from it also provided the basic understanding of software engineering principles and other related technologies. Overall, the course was very useful and knowledgeable for me. Thank you.
I'm Monica, final year student from Computer Science and Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Salem. Recently, I had an opportunity to learn software engineering and GitHub through NAAN MUDHALVAN. This was conducted by Guvi. The trainer was really good, and she taught us about the basics of GitHub, and she makes us to go through the basics of web development too. Here in GitHub, she taught us basic commands and GitHub commands, how to create a repository, how to add files in those repository, how to merge two files in a repository, and how to pull repositories from GitHub, etc. She also taught about version control systems in GitHub, which helped us to go back to the previous versions of GitHub, which helps us to analyze the errors in our code, and it also helps to maintain our code in a consistent manner. We also learned about React Native and React, which helps in front-end web development. This React also helps in creating mobile applications. Here we also learned this course through practical use cases. These use cases were really helped in improving ourselves by it was not like a theory session, and it really helped us to develop ourselves practically. And overall, this course was really very good and helped me to improve myself in software engineering and GitHub. Thank you.